Hello students, having discussed about the introduction of the decimal number system, binary number system, hexadecimal number system and octal number system, now let us go for the conversion of one numbers to the another number, that is the numbers from one number system to the other number system. So consider first the conversion of binary number system to the hexadecimal number system. So we have taken one example of a 16-bit binary number, and let us convert to this number into the hexadecimal number system or the hex number. So for this conversion you must have a table which gives you the hex number and its corresponding 4-bit binary number. So in the beginning you may not remember the hex number and its corresponding 4-bit binary number. So for you, the ready reference, this particular table is available here. But as you work with the binary number and hexadecimal number and its conversion, then this particular table will be by heart to you, and you won't need to refer to this particular table for conversion between binary to hexadecimal number or hexadecimal number to the binary number. So let us first see how this particular number can be binary number can be converted to hex. The first step for converting the binary number to the hexadecimal number is to make group of 4 binary bits from right to left. So there are 16 bits in this particular number, so we make group of 4 binary bits. So we have to take the rightmost binary bit first, that will be the first group. So it is 0011. Then next group is 0101. So we write that group 0101. After that the next group is 1100, this one, and the leftmost 4 bits are 1011. Now in the leftmost group there can be 4 bits or there can be fewer than 4 bits, that is there can be 3 bits or 2 bits or even there can be 1 bit. So let it be, if it is only 1 bit, then you can add zeros to the left of that particular group, so that it will be 4-bit binary number. Now having grouped these numbers into the group of 4 binary bits, the next step is to replace each 4-bit binary group with its hex equivalent. Now this particular table gives you the 4-bit binary number and its hex equivalent. So let us do that. So here is the first group 0011. The hex equivalent for 0011 from the table is 3. So we replace that 0011 here with 3. The next group is 0101. So for 0101 we write 5, as from the table 0101 equivalent is 5. The next is 1100. So the hex equivalent of 1100 is C. So we write C for 1100, and the last group is 1011, and from the table we get 1011 is B. So the number is B BC53 in hexadecimal. So this 16-bit binary number is equal to BC53 in hexadecimal number or in hex. You can note that there are 16 bits in the binary representation of that particular number, but when the same number is represented in hexadecimal, then its representation is compact and it need only 4 bits. So this is the advantage of the hexadecimal number system, that the representation of the number is very compact and the conversion from binary to hexadecimal is very quick.